Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today, I'm going to be attempting to make another slime, but, sorry guys, but today it's going to be different. I'm going to add a twist to it. So, you know how people add water to their glue bottles to get all the glue out? That's what I'm going to be doing today. See, there's still a tiny bit of glue, so I'm just gonna add water into it. Not a lot, because I don't really have that much water anyway. Actually, I do have more water, so I'm gonna add until like, alright, there we go. Basically, a little bit over half of a bottle. Okay, so now I'm just gonna close it, and I'm going to mix. Now it should come out this white color, like this faded kind of white color, because there is still glue in there. Yeah, it's turning white. So I'm actually needing to go to the store to get more slime supplies. Sorry. Alright, that should be enough mixing. So now I'm just gonna add this mixture into my cup or my bowl. Yeah, see how it is white and apparently fizzy? Because I was mixing it. Okay, so this is good. It's water added into the, like usual. Now there is some glue in here, but I think it is dried out. But I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water. Like literally a tiny bit, not even to fill the bottle. I'm just gonna mix it up and see if it turns into whitish color. It's not like doing much. Yeah. It didn't do much. See how it's not like as easy as much, but it'll still work. So I'm gonna show you guys some of my slimes. They did get mixed together a little bit. So here's one of them. It's super small now. This one mixed into all of my slime, sadly. I'm super bummed about this. And this one got rubbery also. So now that I have thing, I'm gonna add my shake, however you call it. This one actually says shaving cream, so it's called shaving cream. Okay, now I'm just going to give it a nice stir. Okay, so now I have a good mixture. Now I'm going to add my color. I'm going to make, let's make a green one. I feel like I haven't made any green slimes yet. The screen isn't working. That might better. Okay, so just being at home. Oh no, my cup just cracked. So I'm trying to get sponge that already came out into this slime mixture. I'm just gonna mix it. It's a very light tinted green. You can't even tell. I'm gonna see if my other greens work, because these ones work a little bit better. Yeah. stir it, and it's actually getting to a really pretty green color. Okay, it is going to be like a kind of like a teal color because I still have to have my tag. It may not though, you never know. Because sometimes tide wants to be runny, sometimes it doesn't, and today it does. It is not stirring into my mixture. It is not thickening up. So, just add some. That looks like a lot, but it's really not. Okay, so I'm adding in, and it is not thickening up. So this is a fail. I am show you guys what happened with my slimes. So this thing got tilted and it just like stopped. Alright, I'm gonna actually soak these in that mixture to try and get these less rubbery. This one is actually now very big. It was super small when it used to be, so I don't know. See, now it's getting ripped and stuff. This one was super missing. This one was always small like this, sorry. This one has some wax beads from my wax slime. That is good, or might look like slime that is going up for sale. So sorry about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want any slimes, I'm going to try to fix a whole bunch of mine. And I also am going to the store and getting more slimes. So there shouldn't be. Ooh, it actually did work. Not that much, but it still worked. Now I'm just gonna move this one. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the fail.